in my pajamas. I'm just wearing some kajal and lipstick so that I do not look dumb on camera. And the scarf is a genuine thing because it's cold, it's December. But I got so many books for my birthday and it's not even 9 in the morning. I am so happy. So a lot of these books have been gifted to me by my husband, to whom I made some very good suggestions. And some of these have been gifted to me by my friends, which is so sweet of them. So we have my husband book stack. I'm trying so hard not to make this fall. Okay, so let's start right here. We have Oathbringer Part 1, which is the third book in the Stormlight Archive series by Brandon Sanderson. I have the second book. I'm reading the second part, and so this is the third book, Part 1 and Part 2. And somewhere in this stack is the latest installment, Rhythm of War. This is the fourth book. It came out in November and I have it in my hands. That's so exciting. Then we have The Radiance of a Thousand Suns. This is historical fiction and it says all kinds of things. It says partition, 9/11, the emergency of 1984, the epic Mahabharata, the poetry of Bulle Shah, the legend of Heer. So it's got a lot of, I think, folklore and a lot of actual historical events mixed in, and I'm so excited to read this. Then I have Loss. Harsh of Harsh herself recommended this. I have no idea what it's about, but I'm excited to read it. I'm going to say excited so many times in this video, guys. Then we have A Place for Us, which is about an Indian Muslim family which is preparing for their daughter's wedding. And this book, everyone is like, oh my god, it's so good, it made me cry, oh my god, oh my god. So, oh my god, it's in my hands. Last one from my husband. And this was very recently suggested to me by him, like 2 days back, because there is a bookstagrammer. I will link his profile below. He's Vivek, and he's doing this project where he's reading one short story every single day of the year. So this one is called A Clutch of Indian Masterpieces, Extraordinary Short Stories from the 19th Century to the Present. So it has all kinds of people. It has Tagore, it has Premchand, it has R.K. Narayan, it has Ismat Chugta, it has Amrita Pritam, it has Mahashweta Devi. So it has this whole set of amazing and famous Indian authors, and so happy. Then I have two books that Smriti of Sant Reads gave me. We have All the Lives We Never Lived Here. She says it's a family drama, mother-daughter drama kind of thing, because I really like that sort of thing. And then there is Akbar the Great Mughal, which I'm so excited for. If you watched my channel, you know that Mughal history is my favorite period of Indian history. And so then my friend Manya, I finished The Bear and the Nightingale, which is the first book in the Winter Night trilogy, and I loved it. And so she bought me the next two books, and one of them is a hardcover, guys. So we have The Girl in the Tower, which I think is the second one, and then The Winter of the Witch, which I think is the third one. Then my friend Charvi, who is Tea with C on Instagram, she sent me two books. One is Baluta, which is about caste in India. And then this one is called Legacy, Letters from Eminent Parents to Their Daughters. So this includes people like Narayan Murthy, it includes Zia Modi, it includes Amit Chandra, it includes Renuka Ramnath, it includes Jatin Das, it includes Sanjeev Kapoor. So all kinds of people writing letters to their daughters, famous people. So this I think is a very nice read that I'm going to be dipping in and out of. It was on my wish list and it was very kind of her to get it for me. The last one I was gifted by Jyotsna from Jyotsna's Bookscapades. This was more of an early birthday present because there was a book that was on sale and she had read it and recommended to me several times, and I wanted it and I wanted it and I wanted it, and she bought it for me and got it sent to me the same day. It's Smoke Gets in Your Eyes, which is the story of a mortician and what it's like to work in a morgue. And she was amazing to send it to me on the same day. It was so sweet and I'm so happy with this book. So here is my stack of books, guys. I don't even know if it fits into the camera, but it is like gigantic. I do not know how to hold this and show it to you guys. I really don't. I hope you can see it in its... And the stack of books has fallen again. There is another video in which this happened, and I will link it. And I think my tripod moved, and all the books have just gone. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to go gather up my books now and just enjoy the feeling of having a crap ton of books gifted to me on my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this very impromptu video and possibly the sound of the washing machine in the background. I will see you in my next video. Bye. It's a birthday. Okay, bye.